A few 100,000 years ago, early humans looked up and saw a world that felt designed for them. The daytime sky provided a warm yellow ball, and the night revealed a beautiful, twinkling canopy. It felt as though something was watching over us, and we were home. But we eventually learned that the twinkling lights are not shining for us. They just are. Our home is a moist speck of dust, orbiting a medium-sized star, tucked away in a quiet region of an average galaxy. Our local galaxy group is just one of thousands inside a supercluster, which is only one part of the observable universe. It might even be 1,000,000 times bigger than that, but our brains can't comprehend numbers that large. Space is too big, but time is even more troubling. If you are lucky enough to live to be 100, you have exactly 5,200 weeks at your disposal. If you're 25 now, you have 3,900 weeks left. Eventually, your biological processes will stop. The dynamic pattern that is you will dissolve until there is no you left, and you might end up dead forever. Realizing how small we are, how quickly our time is vanishing, and that we are destined to disappear into an indifferent void is often enough to induce deep existential dread. It is a strange irony. We became self-aware only to realize that the universe's story is not about us, and science doesn't do much to make that realization less depressing. But there is another way to look at this: optimistic nihilism. You only get one shot at life, which is scary, but it also sets you free. Think about the 13.75 billion years before you existed. You don't remember them, and they didn't hurt. The trillions of years after you're gone will pass in the exact same unfeeling instant. Close your eyes. Count to 1. That's how long forever feels. In the end, the universe itself will die, and nothing will ever change again. But if the cosmos eventually ends in heat death, every humiliation and mistake you've ever suffered will be forgotten. That absolute ending acts as a void. Every bad thing you did and every failure you've endured will eventually be erased, leaving you free to try things without the weight of permanent cosmic judgment. Since the universe has no inherent principles or laws for how to live, the only principles that carry any relevance are the ones we decide on. In a universe without an assigned script, we are the authors. We get to dictate what the purpose of our existence is. Our absolute insignificance is not a burden. It is the mechanism that grants us total, unmatched freedom to live however we choose. We often think of ourselves as separated from everything else, but we are as much the universe as a neutron star or a black hole. Humans are a physical continuation of the same cosmic processes that formed these nebulae. We are the same dust, organized into a different shape. We are the thinking and feeling part of that dust. We are the central organs of the universe, finally capable of experiencing what the rest of the cosmos can only do blindly. This makes the universe a massive playground. We have billions of stars to visit, diseases to cure, and fundamental mysteries like consciousness to solve. While we look for those answers, we get to experience food, books, sunrises, and being with each other. Even finishing a video game is a valid use of this incredible temporary ability to feel things. If this is our one shot at life, there is no reason not to have fun and live as happy as possible. Since we're already here in this playground, we might as well help each other out and see if we can build something beautiful among the stars.